Hi everyone. In this video, I will show you how to fix the Steam fatal error. First, make sure Steam is fully closed. If Steam is open, close it. To be sure, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape. Look for Steam in the list, click on it, and choose End Task. Now locate the Steam executable file. Usually it is found by right-clicking the Steam shortcut on your desktop and selecting Open File Location. When you see steam.exe, right-click on it and choose Properties. In the Properties window, click on the Compatibility tab. Check the box that says Run this program in Compatibility Mode 4. From the list, select Windows 8. Below that, also check the option Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Click Apply, then click OK. Next, we will change a Windows network setting. Open the Control panel. Set the view to large icons if needed. Click on Internet Options. In the new window, go to the Connections tab, then click LAN Settings. Uncheck the box that says Automatically Detect Settings. Click OK, then OK again to close everything. If the error still happens, check your computer date and time. Look at the clock on the bottom right corner of your screen. If the time or date is wrong, right-click on it and choose Adjust Date and Time. In the Settings window, turn on Set Time automatically. If it is already on, turn it off, wait a few seconds, and turn it back on. This refresh often fixes the issue. After doing these steps, restart your computer and then open Steam normally. Most of the time, these methods fix the Steam fatal error. Thanks for watching.